Break is brought to you by O'Keefe's Working Hands. In case you have cracked up, jacked up, nasty looking hands like True 17, get yourself some working hands. Make them feel better. 13-14 select basketball 6-box break. Good luck. I'm going to get all the packs out here. Alrighty. Oh, good luck, guys. It's time. We made it. I like to do it like that. My flip over. Mini pack number 1. Dwight Howard Sky High insert for the Rockets. Macklemore's the rookie. The first autograph is numbered at a 49 for the Pelicans. Brian Roberts. Blue parallel. Select signatures. Going to J. Decker 28. It's numbered 17 out of 49. Larry Legend, Mr. Clutch right there, Celtics. And Dwayne Wade, 66 of 99, purple prism jersey for the Heat. Heat were traded, now owned by Monkey Boner. Congratulations to the Monkey Boner on that one. Purple Prism LeBron James, red hot for the Heat. Monkey Boner getting all kinds of stuff. Number to 99. 28 out of 99. Glenn Big Baby Davis Prism for the Clippers. And Steven Adams Rookie Prism for the Thunder. I can put these rookies somewhere else. There we go. Sitting in my sweet spot, man. Carmelo has an on-card auto on this? Oh, man. Amazing. Hope we pull it and the guy doesn't want to sell it to you. What a jerk he would be. I'm sick. Just kidding. DeMarcus Cousins Prism for the Kings. We got gold. We got a gold white hot, guys. Oh, just who is it? For the Raptors, white hot gold. DeMar DeRozan. Parole Man and the Raptors. Probably thought he was going to get his butt kicked with the Raptors. 2 out of 10. Nice gold card. DeMar DeRozan. Sick. Jersey is Al Jefferson for the Bobcats. Tar Heels fan 2012. Got a Prism, Anthony Davis for the Pelicans. Stars Prism. Giannis rookie. Dirk McGurk Red Hot for the Mavs. We got blue! Mason Plumlee. Blue rookie. The blue's on really sharp in this product. I like it. 10 out of 49. The Nets, Skyler. A. Trent. And a Bill Cartwright autographed jersey. New York Knicks. Blue parallel. It's sharp looking in its own right there. Osman 79 Kia, 34 out of 49. Kenneth Fareed skills to pay the bills for the Nuggets. That is mini box number 2. See, what's the best way? I think I like to grab them like this. Try to get the optimum, you know, so you get in a good rhythm when you're ripping these packs. How do I like to grab the pack? Yeah, this feels nice. It's like hitting the ball in the sweet spot of the bat right here. Right in my hot zone. Rip through the whole case like that. No time. Alright, here we go. 2 memorabilia size hits. Kenneth Fareed Red Hot Nuggets. First hit, Larry Johnson autographed jersey for the Charlotte Hornets and the Pelicans. Jay Decker 28. Top selections. Nice. Larry Johnson. Mama, that's correct. Ray Allen, clutch for the Heat. Prism card, Chris Kaman, Lakers. Purple Prism, the 99, Luis Scola, Pacers. That's for Dak and Jay. And your jersey, the 49, Anderson Varejao, blue. For the Cleveland Cavs and V. Guzman. Blue jersey. Tyler Hansbrough for the Raptors, Prism card. Alrighty. I couldn't get a grip on that one. Got fucking with my flow. Gonna have an on-card auto in this one. Only one fat card. John Wall is your relic for the Wizards. Andrew Amoye 25. Might be the Karl Malone right here. You never know, huh? Drew Holiday, White Hot Pelicans. It is Gus Williams of the Supersonics and the Thunder. Old Gus Williams. Darren N. Gus Williams. Finds his way into every single 13-14 product now. Gus Williams. Rajon Rondo insert for the Celtics. Number to 99, Victor Oladipo, rookie red hot for the Magic. Or Poseidon. 81/99. Blue! Danilo Gallinari for the Nuggets, numbered at a 49 blue. 24/49. Tayshaun Prince for the Grizzlies, Prism. And Luigi Datome, rookie Prism for the Pistons. Ola Home Depot. That's funny. Oh, hard one. Might be a good hit right there. That's tough. Tight box, tight pack. Two thickies. There we go. Clutch Prism, Dwayne Wade. The Heat. Amari Stoudemire, red hot for the Knicks. We got Chicago Bulls 4 out of 5. Eric Murphy for the Bulls. 3-color auto putsch for Cardboard Heroes. Cardboard Heroes. Nice. They're beautiful cards. 4 out of 5. Trace colors. Ray Allen, clutch, Heat. You got all these clutch guys on the Heat that they freaking lost. Woo! Rudy Gay Prism for the Kings. Number to 99, Purple Prism, Al-Farouq Aminu for the Pelicans and Hornets. And Brandon Jennings for the Pistons. Jersey card. HK Life 80/80/80/88. Whoa. Alright, here we go, dudes. Dwayne Wade, red hot Prism for the Heat. Got a redemption, ready? Jay Williams, we pulled him at every single break of this I've done so far. For the Bulls and Cardboard Heroes, Jay Williams. The full case and both half cases have had Jay Williams autos now. Not short printed. Caldwell Pope for the Pistons, rookie insert. And Tyson Chandler for the Knicks is your jersey. Frank Thomas is always a case hit, man. Always. Ozman 79. He was at the Dodger game tonight announcing. It was sick. James Harden for the Rockets. Skills to pay the bills. And a blue. Jeremy Lin White Hot. Linning. 10 of 49 for the Rockets. Strop and the Rockets. Blue. Alex Len for the Suns. Rookie Prism. Do I see more gold? Nope. Almost got super excited right there, but there's not really gold. Here we go. Got a Prism card. Gerald Wallace. Celtics. Dion Waiters for the Cavs. Red Hot. And Bradley Beal, numbered out of 25. On-card auto. Purple Prism for the Wizards. Select Sigs. Amoy 25. Nice. Short print, 25 on this one. We pulled the K-Love yesterday, numbered out of 30. A lot of guys are 99, some are really short. Bradley Beal, 25. More Clutch Wade. The Heat. Clutch Heat everywhere. Dirk McGurk, Prism Clutch. Mavericks. Number 99, Purple Prism. Tyreek Evans of the Pelicans. And Hornets. 9 of 99. And Bernard King for the Knicks. Another Knicks jersey. Ozman 79, Kia. Two fatties. Brandon Bass, Celtics Prism. Sterling is the last break for the night, indeed. Gal Meckel for the Dallas Mavericks, autographed jersey, rookie card. For Holler Dog. Sky High, Kevin Durant, Thunder. And Bill Laimbeer for the Pistons. HK Life 88-8. Bill Laimbeer, nasty boy. LaMarcus Aldridge Blazers, skills card. Jose Calderon to 99, Dallas Mavericks. Purple Prism sauce. Super technology. And Nemanja Nedovic, Warriors, Prism rookie. Alrighty, Oladipo insert, Magic. Tim Hardaway Jr. to 99, Purple Prism Auto Rookie. For the Knicks. Coming for Ozman 79. Nice. Kemba Walker, Bobby Cats, Skills. Luigi Datomi Pistons Prism. Purple, Ben McLemore. Number to 99, Kings. I like all the extra color this year myself. Makes it more fun to open, man. A lot more shit going on every time you open a pack. Kenneth Faried to 99 for the Nuggets. Ozman 79's got Nugs as well. And Shane Larkin, Rookie Prism Dallas. Preference. There's no preference. Alrighty. Getting down to the end here. Box and a half to go. A nice Lakers for Tomas one time. Man. Alright. Anthony Davis. Pelicans and Hornets jersey. J. Decker 28. OJ Mayo red hot for the Bucks. Fat Lever. Your autograph for the Denver Nuggets. Select signatures. Ozman 79. Fat. Purple to 99. Tim Hardaway Jr. Draft selections. Knicks are stacking. Kia killing it. We got a blue. LaMarcus Aldridge for the Blazers. Max Dale. Looking for that Max Dale. Holler Dog, 20 of 49. Steven Adams for the Thunder. Prism. And CJ McCollum Rookie Prism as well. Blazers. Holler Dog. Oops, sorry about that. Shaking the camera. Alrighty. Gerald Green for the Suns, Prism. And redemption. Nando De Colo, select signatures for the Spurs. Right? Unless they traded him. Epic Zano and the Spurs. Nando De Colo. Sky High LeBron for the Heat. Insert. Klay Thompson jersey for the Warriors. Laker fan 13. Well, they get something on the board. Nick and the Warriors. Steve Kerr clutch. Bulls. I got a blue. Goran Dragic white hot for the Suns. Blue Prism. There's Raptors on Nando De Colo. Alrighty. Thanks, guys. Skills Prism, Blake Griffin. Clippers. So Nando De Colo is going to the Raptors. Raptors is Parole Man. Got that, and he got the gold card earlier. DeRozan. Alright, here you go, guys. Last mini box. Alright, good luck to y'all. Dwight Bucks. Raptors Prism rookie. DeMarcus Cousins Red Hot for the Kings. First hit. Trey Burke. Nice one for the Jazz. Autographed jersey rookie. Trey Burke. Utah's Silly Big Boy. Trey Burke auto jerseys. Chris Paul Clippers insert. J.J. Hickson Prism for the Nuggets. Purple. Andrew Bogut for the Warriors. To 99. Laker fan 13. And Amari Stoudemire jersey for the Knicks. Osman 79. A lot of Knicks relics and hits in this one. That's it for the break. Thanks again, guys, for joining. Thanks for watching, YouTube. We got one green patch auto of the dude from the Bulls. White guy. We got one gold card. Was the DeRozan White Hot. That's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining. Peace.